So, how has unschooling your sons contributed to both his growth and your healing journey?
I think unschooling is the outcome of healing journey. I can definitely tell you that because once you start healing, a lot of limiting beliefs which we have built over a period of time starts to shatter down, and we start to see the truth. We start to see the life as it is. We start to look at ourselves, our children, and life much beyond what it is appearing like. And I think the moment you start healing and understanding these things, you slowly move out of that race. You slowly move out of that getting influenced by the materialistic possessions and materialistic lifestyle and the rat race also, I think. So his unschooling is definitely a byproduct of this healing journey, wherein we, along with our son, it was his decision basically. So sitting together and analyzing what is it that we want out of his life, what is it that he wants out of his life, what kind of freedom he is looking forward to, what kind of passion he is looking at, and then am I ready to give that freedom to my child? Am I ready to hold that space and have this understanding that yes, every child is capable of learning and finding his own solutions on his own,
True.
having that trust on his instincts. I think that will come only when you emotionally heal and shed your limiting beliefs, I think.
Adding to this emotional healing question, in what ways do you see that emotional healing connected to education system and financial awareness for parents?
So now, as Anuradha, you had rightly asked me the question with regard to working parents. This is much in association with that question, I would say. The very basic question we ask ourselves is, what is it that I want to give my child when we are planning a child? So
Yes.
we plan for the insurance policies, we plan for the housing, and we plan for a good car when the child is going to come. How much financial stability I have in order to make sure that his education is being taken care of, and all our planning goes with regard to only the so-called financial stability which is going to come from the materialistic acquisitions. Okay, no doubt, I'm not saying that you should not be financially independent. It's not about being financially independent, it's about how much is enough for me. If I ask this question, how much is enough for me, and the answer to this question is definitely going to come from a will be different from both the soul. If you'll ask someone who is on a healing journey, the answer is going to be different. And if you'll ask someone who is not yet started his healing journey, the answer is definitely going to be something different. So I think the awareness with regard to education, what is it that exactly I want my child to get from this educational journey, and what is it that I want to provide to my child as far as his emotional, mental, physical, financial, social needs are concerned. We concentrate only on the financial needs, but all these remaining four needs are not actually been taken care of. So I
Yes.
think that awareness does comes only from this process of evolving as a parent, I think.
Great, great. And I think it really makes a deeper sense. And if every parent start thinking beyond this, I think we all can contribute. And, we can be a part of that beautiful journey where we are raising the child beyond the materialistic things, right? So it comes with lot of, love, compassion, kindness, and that kind of connection is missing these days. Yeah, I personally feel that.